Oh, hi. I'm challenging myself today. I saw online a couple weeks ago about this food, and I was like, that sounds horrible. I gotta try it. It sounds so bad. It was from McDonald's in, I think, China. And what they were doing, they were taking Spam. They were taking Oreos. I use double stuff because if you're not using double stuff Oreos, why eat Oreos at all? It's the best kind of Oreos, double stuff. Single stuff Oreos, no good. Also, while we're on this, the packaging in Oreos rules. This like thing, and then it like flips down and closes itself. That's Nobel Prize stuff there. So we got Spam. We got Oreos. And we got McDonald's secret sauce. Now, I have an insider at McDonald's who gave me the secret sauce recipe. So I made their secret sauce. I can't tell you what's in it. But let me tell you. If you did know what was in it, you'd be shocked. You'd be shocked. But it's amazing. Luckily for me, I have insiders everywhere I go. I'm going to put some more Oreos on here. Okay. So I don't know why. This is a big thing over there. Like they're selling out as fast as they can make them over in China. So it's Oreos. Double stuff. Spam. Which I warmed up over there on the stove. Because, I don't know, maybe it makes it a little bit better. Secret sauce. And a hamburger bun. I'm a little bit hesitant about eating this. But it's going to be spectacular. Just like my new shirt, which is also spectacular. Which I got at the thrift store. $4. Why does anybody buy new clothes? I don't know. My God. You know, I was expecting and this would be really, really gross. It's not. I mean, like, I'm actually like in complete shock right now. I did not think this is going to be edible. I thought I was going to be like on the floor in a second, passed out with food gross comaness. But it's, I don't know, good might be a stretch. But it's tasty. Like, it's the Oreos really overpower the Spam. You can barely taste the Spam. I'll say it's interesting. Let me try to kick another bite where I can get some more Oreos. Good Oreo bite. Yeah. I'm in shock. I am in shock right now. I thought I was going to need to get the puke bucket out while I was eating this. But it's actually okay. It's actually kind of good. I'm going to finish this sandwich today. That's how okay it is. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.